Love you, be you, stay true. This is Everyday Curl. Oh my goodness, hi guys. I feel like I haven't been in front of the camera in so long and it feels so good to be back. Like I wouldn't even be able to explain it to you and describe how I feel, but I'm just so happy to be back. Hi to all my old subscribers, my old heads. I'm so happy that you guys still stuck around even though I have not been recording for a while. But get ready because I'm coming to you with some heavy hitters and I'm hitting you hard, fast. I'm uploading every single week. You will get a video on Sunday. So it's not the usual during the week, but I feel like dropping videos on Sundays will be extra, you know, so much better because you're more relaxed, you're more laid back, you're doing the family thing. So it's like, hey, let's pop YouTube on and let's watch Everyday Curl, you know? So for those that don't know me, I am Bree. I am the star, the founder, the CEO, the everything of Everyday Curl as it stands now. Everyday Curl started because I wanted to have an outlet to be able to teach people how to take care of their hair. Granted, I still do that and I still am going to continue on doing those things to teach you how to take care of your hair. But I also wanted to incorporate some more self-care things with that because as of late, I've been on this huge self-care journey and this like overhaul of myself and just like revamping and redoing things because I'm trying to be more present in the moment that I am. And I feel like when my life is in shambles, I can't get things right. And when I'm not right, my headspace isn't right and my body just goes haywire. So I just wanted to get that right. So I'm back, I'm ready, and I'm just extra excited for what is going to be happening moving forward with this channel. So make sure you subscribe if you have not subscribed, and those that have subscribed, go ahead, tell a friend, let them know Everyday Curl is coming with fire, so they need to subscribe. And if you want to get my videos as soon as they drop, hit the bell too, because I promise you, you don't want to miss it, okay? So today I wanted to talk to you guys more so about my journey. So I'm on this new journey when it comes to any of my hair care products. I want to have all natural products, and so that's what I'm doing now. So I'm transitioning over. I still use, you know, store-bought products. I still use all of my Aussie and all of my Shea Moistures and all those great things, and I just wanted to actually transition over. So I've been doing it slowly. I transitioned from store-bought shampoo. I now make my own shampoo. I also do my own deep conditioning mask. So I'm just kind of like transitioning. I do my own oil, and I want to just slowly, as I go through each product, I will be putting the recipe out there and how I put it together and how I make it and how I use it, so that way you can try it for yourself and maybe it can help you. But I'm doing this transition and I'm going all natural because I feel like if I'm being super conscious with what's going in my mind, what's going inside my body, I want to be conscious with what's going on my body, including my hair. And so I wanted to make sure that if I'm feeding my body the good stuff, I want to make sure what I'm putting on top of it is, you know, balancing out with that good stuff. So that's my goal with my journey to all natural products. I also am going on this journey because of the simple fact that I like to know what is going inside of my product. So I like to know what I'm putting on my head and on my hair. So I want to be able to pronounce all of them. So if I'm putting olive oil, if I'm putting bentonite clay or Rasul clay, if I'm putting, you know, different things, I want to know tea tree oil. If I'm putting it in there, I want to be able to say, oh, it has these 3 products or it has these 4 ingredients. Like, you know, I want to be able to name them off for you instead of saying, yeah, I can't pronounce it and then just putting the spelling here. Not gonna work for me. So I wanted to make sure that I can pronounce every ingredient that goes into any of my products. So that's why I really did it, and that's what I'm doing. So as I go through, I will show you every step of my journey and just let you know how I feel about it and what's going on and what's new, what I don't like, what I do like. And I just hope that you guys can follow me on this journey. So just make sure you subscribe. Make sure you thumbs up this video if you like it, and you cannot wait for my next video about this and for my next recipe, because I've been in the kitchen, I've been cooking. Hey. yeah, I've been cooking. So stay tuned. I love you guys so much. I'm so happy to be back, and I hope you guys enjoy every second of every video I put out there. Make sure you share, thumbs up, and subscribe.